Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Toyota Tacoma steering wheel. This common issue happens when the steering wheel lock engages, often after turning off the engine with the wheel slightly turned. Don't worry, it's a simple fix. First, ensure you have the correct key and insert it completely into the ignition. Then, apply gentle, consistent pressure to turn the key while simultaneously wiggling the steering wheel. Understanding why your steering wheel locks can help prevent it. This is a built-in security feature designed to deter theft, not a sign of a problem with your Tacoma. It typically engages if the steering wheel is turned even slightly after the engine is shut off. To avoid this, try to straighten your wheels before turning off the vehicle, or simply be aware that a slight turn can trigger the lock. If you're still having trouble, there are a few troubleshooting steps. First, confirm your gear selector is firmly in park or neutral, as some vehicles require this for ignition. Also, a weak battery can sometimes affect ignition functions, so ensure your battery is sufficiently charged. If your primary key is old or worn, try using a spare key, as a damaged key can sometimes struggle to engage the ignition. While unlocking your steering wheel is usually straightforward, there are times when professional help is needed. If you've tried these steps multiple times and the key still won't turn, or the steering wheel remains stubbornly locked, it's best to stop. This could indicate a deeper issue with the ignition cylinder or steering column. Contact a certified Toyota service center for assistance to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.